Hi, I'm Nisha Morgan, a psychologist. Today we are going to chat with our client, Salsha Lakshmi. Hi, Salsha Lakshmi. How are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Please take your seat.
Thank you ma'am.
Hi, Salsha Lakshmi. How are you feeling today?
I'm a little bit nervous ma'am.
Okay. What's your age?
I'm 18.
What you are studying?
I'm studying 12th standard.
Which course you have been taking?
Maths biology.
Okay. What's your ambition in life?
To become a doctor.
Yeah, it's a good ambition. You should come in flying colors. Best of luck. So, how long do you think that you have anxiety?
For past 1 year ma'am.
Okay. How come do you know that you have anxiety?
In school days, my staffs and my friends told to me I'm having a social anxiety disorder.
Okay, let's go through and we'll check it.
Okay ma'am.
Do you feel anxious right now while talking with me, Salsha?
Yes ma'am, little bit nervous.
Don't think like that. Just think as if I am your sister or your close friend, okay?
Okay.
Have you been to psychologist or psychiatrist before?
No ma'am, this is my first session.
Okay. What will be going on your body and mind while you being anxious?
I'm getting nervous. I'm hands are shivering, hands too cold. I'm sweating. Sometimes I get faint.
Oh, okay. Tell me about yourself and your past history.
When I was 7, my mother passed away. My father got a second marriage. My stepmother frequently discouraged me, and she won't allow me to any participation in extracurricular activities. I'm getting depressed.
Salsha, first of all, just relax yourself. Just talk to your father about this problem. He'll be having some ideas or clue to give some positive idea between your mother and you. Okay, just talk with your mother like your mother, not think she's a stepmother. Just talk with her softly and gently. All will become very easy. Like a coin has a two sides. In every situation, we'll be having both positive and negative things. We have to take all the positive things and leave the negative ones. Just have a positive thought in your mind and leave all the negative. That will help you to reduce anxiety. Tell me about your school friends.
I'm having very few friends, and they are teasing me a lot. They are avoiding me, and I saw only backstabbing people. And even my school teachers also, they won't support me in any time.
Apart from school, will you go out, hang out with your friends?
Sometimes I wish to go out, but my stepmother she won't allow me to go out.
Do you have any sibling?
No, ma'am, I'm a single child.
Do you think that I'm only child in a home, that's why I'm not connecting with any people? Like that, do you have any feelings?
Yeah, I'm always feeling lonely.
Okay. Whether you have participated in any competitions?
Yeah, I did only one time, and I'm getting nervous at the time.
What kind of competition is that?
A speech
Competition.
When I was standing in front of the audience, I'm getting nervous, but it's spoiled totally.
Oh, you can't speak when there are crowd. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have attended any social gatherings or parties before?
Yeah, I went sometime, but I'm not staying there for a long time. I'm getting nervous to speak others.
So you are not able to speak with others, right?
Yeah.
You can't mingle with them.
I'm an introvert person.
Okay. Just take my notepad and write your positive and negative thoughts, what all in your mind. Okay? Just have a minute. Have you finished, Salsha?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, let me read. Just give it. Okay. After reading this, I have come to a conclusion that you are facing a negative problem. I told you to write both positive and negative, but here most of the things are in negative. Just leave the negative thoughts and be a positive one. I come to know from this you are missing a mom a lot. Just don't worry, you'll be good. You are lacking confidence and self-esteem. First, be confident. If you are being confident, only we can talk and do everything. Okay. First, be confident yourself. Just wait. I'll give one. Just see the bottle and say what's in your mind.
The half of the bottle is empty.
You are being a pessimist, but you have to be an optimist. Just think that we have half of the bottle filled. Don't think that half the bottle is empty. Like in our life also, we should think what we have. With the things which we have to be happy. Don't think that we don't have that, we don't have this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Celsia, now we are going to do a cognitive behavioral therapy. In cognitive behavioral therapy, which is the most important one, is role play. We are now going to do our role play. Just think as if I am your stepmother. Just talk freely, whatever you want to talk with her. Okay? Can we start?
Yes.
Yeah. Proceed.
Hi, mom.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you, Da?
I'm feeling bad
Why, Da?
because first of all, you hurt me a lot and you are avoiding me, keep on avoiding me till now. And sometimes I feel I share some things to you, but you won't allow me to share the things. And sometimes I feel that participate in extracurricular activities. Even that also you not allow me to participate. So I'm willing to study in that, but you ask me to do some household things and discourage me, keep on discourage me, and I lost my marks in study in my exams, and I'm getting depressed.
Okay, Celsia, don't worry. Okay, Celsia, don't worry. Just go to your mom. Talk like as you talk here. Just establish a good bond with your mom. She'll be okay. She'll take care of you a lot. Just be a good friend with her. Okay, Celsia?
Okay, ma'am.
Celsia, as of now, the session has got over. We have few more 2 sessions on a coming week. Okay. The first session is exposure to experiment with strangers and group therapy. The first thing is nothing but we'll be going out and we'll be interacting with the peoples. Okay. The next one, group therapy, is of I'll be calling my clients and colleagues and we'll have a group session with them. That's it for the coming weeks. As of now, we'll complete. Thank you for coming, Celsia. You'll be having a good day and you'll be having a good relationship with your mom and dad. Thank you, Celsia.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm feeling good. This session is very helpful for me, and I'll talk to my mother.
Yes, Celsia, I can see some difference. First of all, you are telling that you are my stepmother's stepmother. Now you told that's your mother. It's a great change, Celsia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for coming. Meet you in next session.